everyone, and welcome to this fast and obvious demo. This one is about the Wrench credits and how to buy them. Let's go! You need to have an account to buy the Wrench credits. Once you're in your personal account, click on the Save section. You will see the number of Wrench credits you currently have and your invoices. You can also buy prepaid refills. So if you have used the cost estimator and have an idea of the number of Wrench credits you need, which we highly recommend, you can enter this amount and get the corresponding price. On the other side, if you have a dedicated budget, you can enter it and see how many credits it gives you. Do not hesitate to check the volume discounts, because it can be really attractive at the end to forecast a bit rather than add money for each project, thanks to the discounts. That's it. It was fast and obvious.